To record, organize, and present information effectively, use mind maps. Write inside of the branches for the map to recognize your text. Tap on a branch to select it and press here to insert new branches in front of it or along it. Press here to minimize a branch or branches, or here to delete it. Insert a digital sticky note or multiple notes by pressing Note. You can also color code and paste them in the color of your choice. Write gives users a limitless whiteboard that they can drag through using the Move option. Press the Grid tool to create notes in real time and select it to change the color of the text and here to do an internet search of its contents. Press here and here to undo and redo your last actions. Are you out of space? Insert a new page by pressing here and move between the pages using the arrows on the sides. Just like the home page, you can access free unlimited support by pressing on the Guru button. To learn more about the Guru button, visit the link in the description.